Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Competitive markets change when firms earn profits. We will solve what happens in the long run with constant returns to scale now. Positive economic profits act like a giant magnet for new competitors. Because there are no barriers to entry, new firms will flood the market to grab a piece of those gains. As these new firms enter, the total market supply shifts right, which forces the market price down. Each individual firm must now face a much lower marginal revenue than before today. To maximize profit at this lower price, firms slide down their marginal cost curves. Consequently, the quantity produced by each existing firm must decrease. Well done! Option C is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid a rush and trust the given market entry rules.